In our today's lecture, we are going to see geometrical construction. Let us see this question. Draw an obtuse angle triangle, a right angle triangle. Find the points of concurrence of angle bisectors of each triangle. See, these are the figures. This triangle is obtuse angled triangle and this triangle is right angle triangle. We have to draw the angle bisector of each angle. See, in this figure, this BD is the angle bisector of angle B. This AM is the angle bisector of angle A, and CS, this is the angle bisector of this angle C. And in this second triangle, M, R, L, S and N, T. All these are the angle bisectors, and this triangle is a right angled triangle. Let us see how to construct these two triangles, obtuse angle triangle and right angle triangle, and let us see how to draw the angle bisectors of each triangle. Okay. Let us see how to draw angle bisectors of this triangle, this obtuse angle triangle ABC with the help of compass. See, put the point of compass here at point C. Please look at this and draw an arc like this and another arc. Okay. Then increase the distance and keep the point of compass here and draw two arcs. See. This is first arc, and from this point, this is second arc. We have to draw like this. Then we get a point. These are the intersecting arcs. Then join this point C and this point. We can say this point is D. Okay. If we join these 2 points, we get angle bisector. Similarly, we can draw angle bisector of point B. So draw an arc from this point B, then another arc here, then increase distance of compass. See, draw 2 arcs from this point and from this point, and another intersecting arc. Okay, see. Then join this point. We can say this is E. This point is E. Join E and B. Then we get an angle bisector of angle B. Then in the same way, we have to draw last angle bisector of this angle A. See, draw these 2 arcs and increase the distance and draw arcs like this. We get third angle bisector. Okay. See, this is the third angle bisector of this angle A. So all these are the angle bisectors. See, all these angle bisector passes through the point I from the same point. So that's why we can say that they are concurrent. All these three angle bisectors are concurrent, and this I is called as incenter and point of concurrence also. In the same way, we can draw the angle bisectors of right angle triangle. This triangle is right angle triangle, triangle LMN. Now I am going to show how to draw angle bisectors. Keep point of compass at point M and draw arc. Then draw another arc like this. Increase distance of compass like this. We can draw two arcs. Join this point and this point. We can say this point is R. Join M and R. We get an angle bisector of angle M. Then draw an angle bisector of N. Keep point of compass here. Draw another two arcs. From these two arcs, draw another two arcs. If we draw like this, then we get angle bisector of angle N. Join this point and this point S. See, NS is the angle bisector. Then draw an angle bisector of this third angle, and for that draw arcs and draw arcs from this point and this point. See, we get a point. See, this point we consider this point is T. Join L and T. So this is the third angle bisector of angle L. Okay, see, all these are the angle bisectors and they passes through the same point. It means that we can say these three bisectors are, these three angle bisectors are concurrent, and this is the point of concurrence. That's all. Thank you.